Your mechanic doesn't want you to know about these cars. While everyone's buying expensive vehicles that break down after 50,000 miles, these 12 cars will run for 300,000 miles without major repairs. The first one starts at just $18,000 and beats cars costing twice as much. But most people walk right past it. These 12 cars will save you thousands in repairs. Smart buyers choose them while everyone else gets stuck with expensive bills. Let's count down from 12 to 1. Starting at number 12 on our list, Kia K4. Starting at number 12, a car so new, most people don't know it exists. The Kia K4 at $22,165 brings bold design that'll make you forget its budget. Best rear legroom and massive 12.3-inch touchscreen. Kia's 10-year warranty basically says, we dare this thing to break. Downside? We're all guinea pigs, but Kia's transformation makes this gamble smart. Korean engineering gets better at number 11. At number 11, we have Hyundai Elantra. Number 11 proves Hyundai isn't the same company from the 90s. The Elantra at $21,500 is redemption on wheels. Hybrid gets 54 miles per gallon, Prius territory without looking like one. That 10-year warranty is a mechanic's promise in writing. Road noise can be noticeable, but you'll hear trouble coming. Number 10 will make cash registers ring. Number 10 on our list is Nissan Versa. Number 10 might shock you, America's cheapest new car that doesn't drive like one. The Versa at $18,340 proves you don't need $40,000 to get from A to B. My neighbor bought one and people called it a penalty box. Now he laughs while friends make $400 payments and he pays $250. Gets 40 miles per gallon with safety features, cars costing twice as much offer. Won't win drag races, but how fast do you really need to go in traffic? Top 9 prove cheap and smart aren't the same. Coming in at number 9, Honda Civic. Number 9 has been America's homework buddy since your parents were in high school. The Civic at $24,250 evolved from basic transport into something impressive. Hybrid gets 49 miles per gallon, while 1.5-liter turbo gives actual pep. One of the few turbos that won't strand you at 80,000 miles like German cars. Gotten pricier, but reliability is like insurance. You don't appreciate it until you need it. Number 8 will question everything about budget cars. The number 8 spot belongs to Mazda 3. Number 8 is the car luxury brands wish didn't exist. For $23,200, the Mazda 3 gives materials so nice, you'll wonder if someone made a pricing mistake. Real metal trim and naturally aspirated engines while everyone chases complex turbos. Less complexity keeps wallets happy longer. My friend's has 180,000 miles. Only replaced tires, oil, and preconceptions about budget cars. Rear passengers need yoga skills, but number 7 solves reliability. For the number 7 position, we have Toyota Corolla. Number 7 is that reliable friend who always shows up. The Corolla at $22,325 looks boring, but pays bills for 300,000 miles. Lebanese taxi driver put 1.2 million miles on his Corolla. That's to the moon and halfway back without major repair. Consumer Reports gives it 84 out of 100 reliability, nearly bulletproof. Naturally aspirated 2.0 liter, no turbo to explode, no fancy tech to fail. Exciting as grass growing, but grass always wins. Number 6 gets more interesting. Moving up to number 6, we find Subaru Crosstrek. Number 6 makes other small SUVs look like pretenders. The Crosstrek at $25,810 delivers actual off-road capability, not just appearance. Standard all-wheel drive, real ground clearance, famous boxer engines. While other SUVs get stuck in mall lots during rain, this keeps going. Drama-free past 200,000 miles. Swiss Army knife of cars, not prettiest, but gets every job done. Highway speeds reveal it's not NASCAR ready, but capability beats speed. Number 5 proves practical can impress. Our number 5 pick is Honda Accord. Number 5 is the overachiever making luxury sedans nervous. The Accord at $27,295 does everything well, like that student good at every subject you kind of hated. Hybrid gets 48 miles per gallon, embarrassing economy cars. Honda's 1.5-liter turbo doesn't act like a time bomb, cruises past 200,000 while German turbos fail at 80,000. Sedan and SUV world means smart buyers get luxury space at economy prices. Number 4 offers something special. Moving up to number 4, we find Mazda CX-5. Number 4 forgot it was supposed to be boring. The CX-5 at $27,400 drives like sports car, hauls like SUV. Mazda uses real metal, while competitors use Happy Meal plastic. Feels like $40,000 SUV accidentally priced at $27,000. Handles better than cars costing twice as much. Fun, reliable, practical, automotive unicorn. Top 3 gets serious. If you've made it this far, you're serious about cars. Hit subscribe for the absolute best picks. Our number 3 pick is Subaru Forester. Number 3 is what happens when engineers design for real life instead of Instagram. The Forester at $26,995 is the Swiss Army knife that never leaves the toolbox. While other SUVs panic in parking lot snow, Forester handles business. Standard all-wheel drive, 8.7 inches clearance, proven 2.5 liter that runs like a metronome. Consumer Reports consistently ranks it most reliable SUV. Trouble-free past 250,000 miles, like buying a car that outlasts your mortgage. Highway noise reminds you it's function over luxury, but reliability doesn't whisper. Number 2 holds value like gold. In the runner-up position at number 2, we have Toyota RAV4. Runner-up number 2 refuses to quit, break, or lose value. The RAV4 at $30,725 is evidence that boring engineering is beautiful. 5-year-old RAV4s sell for 65% original price. Better than luxury cars, like buying a car with its own savings account. Standard all-wheel drive, forever running 2.5 liter. Engineering so simple complexity ran screaming. No fancy tech to fail. Loud and rides like truck. But when your truck is worth more than neighbor's luxury car after 5 years, who's winning? Taking the crown. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is Lexus ES. Finally, number 1 proves you can have cake and eat it too. The Lexus ES at $41,900 is a Toyota Camry that went to finishing school. Insider secret dealers don't advertise. Lexus financing often beats Toyota's. You might pay less monthly for this luxury car than a loaded Camry. Loophole in the luxury matrix. Toyota's proven hybrid wrapped in Mercedes materials with Honda reliability, luxury comfort with economy repair bills. Only issue: front-wheel drive instead of rear. Unless you're drifting parking lots, you'll never notice. Best choice isn't always obvious. Earlier I mentioned cars that hit 300,000 miles, but that means nothing if they lose value like a rock. Some cars hold value better than luxury brands. I break down which ones in this video. These 12 cars prove smart buying beats flashy marketing every time. While others chase expensive features that break after warranties expire, these deliver reliable transportation that won't drain your bank account. Which surprised you most, and what's your biggest factor choosing a reliable car? Price, features, or dependability? Let me know in the comments.